I'm 16. There you go. Doesn't look that bad. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready. I probably won't be filming it because I'm just gonna watch New York City vlogs. I've been into that lately and I don't know why. I just like the vibes of those videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and watch that. Probably listen to some Taylor Swift 16 related music. I'm gonna get ready and... oh wait, I didn't even tell you guys the plan for today. Basically, we're going shopping. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready. Okay guys, I am all dressed. Let me show you guys the outfit. I have worn this before, but here's the outfit. I thrifted this shirt like a long time ago. These jeans from Ross and then my white Converse. And yeah, I'm officially 16. That's crazy. Like I keep saying that and it's gonna get annoying. So right now my mom's currently in Mexico. I called my mom saying that she's still like about to pay. But here's the thing, the lines are so long to get back here, so it is gonna take her like an hour or two to come back. I was planning on doing my cake, but I was like, I don't have any time, I don't have vanilla extract, and I was planning on doing it box mix because I've never made a cake like from scratch. I've done other things from scratch, but not cake. I know it's easy, but like, you know what I mean? But yeah, so since she's gonna stay there for a while, I'm gonna do my cake. Hopefully if I make it good. Like I've made cakes before. I think it was only for my mom and my dad. I'm not gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. Raining really bad right now. Are you okay? I just like I love the rain, don't get me wrong, but like, guys, speak now. Oh my god, from the vault. Oh my god, sorry guys, I had to talk about that for a little bit. I'm really excited. So like basically there's only a crumb coat and like pink frosting, pink buttercream, and I didn't even make the buttercream correctly. The rain agrees with me. Guys, I'm gonna make a TikTok! Thank you! It is completely flooded now. Okay guys, we have made it to TJ Maxx and Target. I literally finished my entire drink. I'm gonna throw it away and we're gonna go shopping. I'm in the dressing room now. I just finished trying on these two blouses. I love this one, but it's just a little too see-through and way too big on like my chest. And then I think I might be getting this one. This one is so cute. I'm getting it. Okay guys, we got out of TJ Maxx and now we're going to Target. But we're eating some of these kettle salty chips. Go. You want some? I'm not. Time for Target. The box. Oh my god, I forgot about it. I know you dream of us two. So guys, we're eating sea salt, no, Himalayan salted kettle cooked potato chips. These are pretty good. And we're in line for Chick-fil-A. We've been here for a while, I'm not gonna lie. back to. I forgot to record, but I finished eating my food.
Shane Dawson made a video about that.
Really?
Banned toys or whatever, and then that was one of them.
You're lying. It comes in an Easter egg.
Where did you get that?
From TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx.
It's not the Barbie brand. Her name is Shirley.